Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the case. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it. やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter. Hello, products, good morning to you, good morning to you. Good morning to you. So, how are you doing today? Today is Monday morning here in Japan, and, well, new week ahead. New week just started, so lot of stuff to do, and the excitement of a new week coming. I have quite a Jordan, welcome back to my bakery. Orbison, I don't know it, Ray Orbison. You got it, no? As always, something I do not know, but thanks for pointing it out. The same, just hanging out at the bakery. Well, we have cakes. So I mean, feel free to serve yourself. Products, we have plenty of cakes. So, and I mean, I've been working a lot yesterday. Yes, I've been working a lot on game documents and such. And I mean, we are at a good shape, sort of, I guess. I mean, let's say sort of good shape, maybe. And Roy Orbison is an artist of the 50 and 60. Oh, interesting. So, something, yeah. Very, well, almost 80. What's this? 75 years.
Okay, from the past. Okay, interesting. Should be surely interesting to study in out, right? I mean, because is from the past, so probably there is some good stuff there for sure. So very good, very good. So okay. By the way, yeah, you got it. It's a 1989 pop song. Okay, okay. Okay, co-written and produced Jeff Lynne and Tom Petty. Okay, trembling vocals and a bright upbeat. Okay, interesting. Thanks for increasing every day my knowledge of artists. I appreciate that, sure. It's very nice from so okay. Let's go on what I am doing at the moment. So I am building the music talent tree, and and I mean there are some I build a whole music sort of thing. I mean but it needs a lot of assets. It still needs a lot of assets. So I am thinking to start by slowly put this stuff there, and should be a radio. Okay, that's the radio icon. Then we have the open mic, right? Open mic, that's it. We may be better say these things, right? And then from open mic, it died in 88 from Earth Attack. I'm very sorry to hear that, Jordan. I mean, a lot of good artists, they die way too young. I mean, they die way too young. Also, Purwo Waga died way too young. I mean, he was a brilliant artist in the Vocaloid scene, and also then he had his own band. But he died very young. So yeah, there's plenty of artists that die way too young, and it's very sad, but I mean, it's very, very sad. So then after that we have the radio, we have the open mic. Then issue split into tour and Stella, I guess. Issue split into tour and Stella on one side, right? That's probably what it should be. Issue split on tour. On tour, and yeah, probably something like that on tour. And Stella on the other side. Oh, we have a tour. And then Stella, right? Then we add, probably goes something like that, right? They are separate entities, I guess. Probably they should, I think we can probably take this. Maybe a small movement, right? Probably a smaller movement. Yeah, probably by there was a way to select the angle of the angle. Okay, our 3.75, probably something like this, right? Yeah, probably something like this. Not even exactly, doesn't make exactly the branch as I wanted, right? Yeah, probably something like this should be right. Yeah, and then we make from here. We add the new, then should go here, right? Yeah, that probably makes sense. And we then can fill this. And from one way, you go, can a bella rockabilly's. Okay, one moment. Roach or be some music spanned multiple genre. Okay, can I make a rockabilly song tonight? We will see later. Jordan, we will see later. I mean, not bad. I mean, we already made a rockabilly song for your grandmother. I mean, I can make a rockabilly song with a twist. with some changes. Cause I last time we made a rockabilly song for your mother and was fully rockabilly. So probably I will make the genre with a small twist. But it could be nice, but not immediately, cause we just started and I need to get some stuff going. But we will probably do so we will do some music later. Meow, Sarkans detector, welcome, Sark, welcome back, Sark. I would say, welcome back, Sark. We are working on the game as always. I am expanding the first talent tree, and we have to do a lot of art today, and make it work, and then implement everything inside the game. So there is indeed a lot. There is indeed a lot to do. So we have a lot of stuff to keep going today. Most of it is art, and then implementation of the art. I already have some art made, but yeah, no way close to what we actually really need to do yet, because there is indeed a super lot of stuff that we need to do. So yeah, good luck to me, I guess. Good luck to me, because there's a lot of stuff that we need to do. But we will eventually do them. So and what you're watching now is the skill tree of the music branch. So and because I'm implementing the map of the tree, and I also just made the icon, and then I have to download this, because there is a list of I have a to-do list to make everything playable. So we're in the middle of this. So the next thing should be the tour, and then Stella, right? The tour and Stella, I guess. Interesting, right? Interesting, right? Okay, so this is something I have to tell Cloud here. Um, Also, one thing to change about the music document, and so we can then go back aligning to this, is that we already know that the Stella abilities is she is an event, but when her event are on cooldown, she can be used as unit for dispatch in the tour. Because at the moment she was only going there and giving the event and buff. But basically, after she has given an event, she goes on cooldown, right? Because, events don't happen always. And you can choose to assign her on dispatch while she's on cooldown for events. So, she's kind of a weird worker, because she doesn't actually work in the way normal workers do, because she makes events. But at the same time, when the events are on cooldown, she can use it for dispatch. So please add this to the music document, and then we can go back to this list. Okay, very good. Because otherwise these talents make no sense, right? These talents here make no sense if we do not implement this way, right? So we have the tour and then Stella, right? So this is tour. Oops, this is tour. This is tour. Tour, and should have the tour icon, which is probably, which one is the right? This is the tour icon. And then here we have Stella. And this obviously is Stella. Right. Then here we have the synthesizer. the synthesizer, which then goes into the clone, right? The synthesizer, 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 which then goes into the, at the temporary name is clone, but I guess that should work for now. Okay. The clone. Basic helper. Oh, yeah, probably the sick. The okay. Well, what name we could put this? Yeah, but we could get clone for now. Sick clone. Then we would find a better way, better name for this. But that should be done. So this is done. Okay, and then we need to save. Better be sure that is saved. So if I refresh this, that should be saved, right? Very good. We have the first talent tree with an exclusive choice and other stuff. So we're gonna go back to cloud. Okay. 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 The talent tree. So, regarding the talent tree, I've just made the talent tree in the tree builder. So you should find the chosen. And as you see, I have decided to branch it differently as it was in the document. So my build supersede the documents, and we should probably also try to find a better name than music clone, because if all branches are going to have an helper, we should probably really find a better name for that. And also, yeah, so, but by the way, the talent is now as a new shade, so you can check the talent and eventually also fix also the music document according to it. Oh, we are at 91% of level 5 limit. Look at this sarcasm detector. You tried to having that talent once and you felt uncomfortable. Well, I'll tell you what makes me feel uncomfortable right now. And what makes me feel uncomfortable right now is this 92% of cloud usage. Jesus. I think that we will have to swap to credits in the middle of today's streams. Or we have to stop. And then I have to set up the payment later, probably for tomorrow's stream later. This is going to hurt so much. I don't even have a clue on how much fucking Fable is going to cost. I know it's very expensive, but I don't know actually how much expensive it is. So probably I want to try it. Probably I don't know. I will decide a $300 budget just to see how much fucking $300 are. And then I will think about it. Cause I can't see myself going back to Chappy for planning. Cause planning with codex feels so good. Feels so good planning with codex. Absolutely. Feels so good. And yeah, you're right, very uncomfortable. But yeah, it feels so good. You can't imagine how good it is the planning with Fable. Probably you are, cause you probably tested it, but planning with Fable, oh yes, lovely. When am I turning shop into cost? Hey Negofi, welcome back to my bakery, Nego. Welcome back to my bakery. We are building we just built the talent tree of the games, and we're making a lot of art. For the game itself, so we are about to do a lot of crazy stuff today. And welcome back, Negofi. When I'm turning shop into an assistant for the stream, when I will feel the need for it, probably. At the moment, I have my hands full into I have my hands full into into this. Oh, what? Huh? One thing. Oh Jesus. By the way, I checked the music document, but or maybe I have missed something, but I don't see where it says that the fork is exclusive. Cause I mean, it should be exclusive. I mean, I set them to be exclusive after the open mic. But I mean, I'm checking the document, and it doesn't seem that there is any mention of it in the document. Because if you see my talent tree, I mean, it has it utilizes the exclusive the how is called it? The yes, the exclusive subpath. So I mean, but in the document there is no mention of it. So you should probably be sure that it's clearly mentioned. Otherwise, when we're going to build this, we're going to have problems. Okay. Fresh batch. Oh, okay. Doppeldecker. No. Second versus Luna. Okay, copycat. Okay. Fresh batch. I mean, okay, let's see if he's fixing this fucking document. Okay, good. Now it's everything is fine. Well, I want the names to be in range with the music, cause I mean you just gave me a lot of names, but I mean they are not really musical, so it should be in them with the music thing. And Luna is a hard-working cat, Negofi. Yes, I am an hard-working cat for sure. I mean, I am a very hard-working cat because I really want to make a great game. And I will. I will make a great game. I mean, something, I mean, not completely original because, I mean, I don't think I mean, I don't think that I need uber originality, but it will be something, I mean, that will bring a lot of nice in the oh, da capo. Okay, da capo is nice. We go with da capo. I will add it also in the music tree. Da capo, yes. So we have to rename this. We have to rename this, and I think I have to rename the icons too, right? So we have to rename the icons. So let's go here. Let's go here, and then we go here into that's game sprites. Game sprites icons. And this is clone music. Then this is renamed in the icon. Then I probably need to refresh this. We need to refresh this, and now we will have a missing things here. Oh, look at this. Oh, I think I broke it. I think I broke it, right? Jesus. We can't do this. So, we can't do this. This needs to be, we need to do this smarter, or these things will break. We break the fucking thing. So, we clone this. We clone this. We clone this. We call this the capo. The capo icon dot png. Then we refresh this, and now this has two icons. That is clone, and this is the capo. So this here goes to the capo, and the name is the capo, right? The capo. Okay, and then we save it. We save it, and then we can now delete the duplicate here. We can delete the duplicate, and we refresh, and hopefully it's not broken. Perfect. So we go to Fable. I also rename it the icon and the note inside the tree, the tree manager. Shut up. Okay, so the name is the capo. Perfect. So what's next? So we need to finish all the to-do list, or we won't be even able to do this. So the quest rewrite, very good. So we need to do the quest rewrite. So okay. Okay, now the name. Okay, here. Okay, good. He is doing this. Okay, very good. Very good. So we need to do the quest rewrite. Then probably we need to do these things. And then we are ready, right? We are ready, right? Probably. Uh-huh. The gap is webbed everywhere. No, I think that now that we know exactly how many talents we have available, I think we can start build the first quest. 3. The first quest, so it's point B2. Because we at the moment we know that we can only use a maximum of 5 talent points, at least for now, so there should be 5 main quests. So try to do a suggestion of 5 quests that are hopefully long enough, probably to last maybe few hours of gameplay. I don't know, we will tweak the numbers eventually, but so cause we have 5 talents points, so there should be 5 main quests, right? Maybe we can have the first 2 or 3 talents points the first 2 relatively fast, then the third after a while, and then the last 2, after not really a lot, but a bigger amount of time, so that, when you reach ascendancy, you think that you have at least done something, you know what I mean? And so we can probably go back to B2 and make a first tentative for the first 5 quests. Okay, and then we can probably start to implement stuff, right? And probably one thing that I will do is, I think we probably should start, probably implement some stuff, I guess. Right? Yeah, and I think we need to finish the documents first. And then split the work in slices. Probably. And yeah, cause we have the MP3. We need basically 3 more assets. We need the MP3 and we have it. It needs to be sliced. We have the synthesizers and we have it. And then we need to make Stella. Jesus, Stella is probably going to be a fucking pain in the ass to make the animation and everything else, but I guess it can work, probably. I guess. Eventually, I guess it could work, right? Probably. Probably could work. Okay, 5 pounds is exactly right. Okay, so talk to the oven, yes. Really? Okay, it has feeling now. Okay, very good. Very good. Spend your first talent point. Okay, passed. Stop touching it. No. No, this is too tight. I mean, this is too tight because if this is a little bit too tight. I mean, for too tight, I mean, it is too fast, and it is too fast. So I suspect we should go this way. Talk to the oven, yes, really. Okay, and it gives 1 talent point. Okay, very good. Then we have reached oven level 4 is the next quest, because it unlocks automation. Okay, boom. And that's the second quest. Then we have probably something in the line that is complete 30 dispatch, 30 commission, something like that. And that's his quest. That's the third quest. And then we have or probably and then we have also reached level 10 with the oven, and probably bought the 30 commission and reached level 30 with the oven. They came at the same time, and I mean the user can probably mess with them when they want. I mean it can be try to be fast to complete them. And then probably the last quest should be something way more, a little bit way more longer, because I mean it should enable ascension, right? It should enable ascension, so it should be probably oh, okay, so let's do this. So and then probably is complete 50 mission board. And then at least one crafty station to level 30. Or no, maybe the last thing is M1 crafting station to level 30. Probably that should be more or less like it, right? That is complete 30 commission. Probably. 30 commission, probably reach level 10 with the oven, level 15 with the oven, probably. Then probably level reach level 50 with the, right? Should be maybe level 20, maybe level 10 and 25, probably, but that's a little bit, right? Maybe level 10 and 25, yeah, something like that. So, so let me make a list. So, I should put this way. Let me write this. That's better. I mean, that's better. bulk with the oven. We probably want this to be right, something like yeah, probably if you do this way, it makes a bullet at this, right? Talk with the oven. Then we have reach oven level 4. Unlocks automation. Right, then 3, complete 30 conditions. Right, 4, reach oven level 25, probably that's it. And then is reach another platform, yes, I think reach another in facility to level 25 and craft 100 specific items. And by craft I mean recipe 8 items, which we will have to discuss cause we haven't discussed them yet. Okay, that should be at least for the first 5 quests, right? That should be for the first 5 quests. And then I think I want to implement all that is implementable at the moment. Probably, maybe, right, or maybe not yet. I think we still want to have the whole loop ready, at least for till the first ascension. So we probably need to have at least the radio, the MP3 player, the open talk, probably the synthesizer, and the clone, or better maybe the cognition and Stella. Jesus, that's a lot of artwork. Level 20 think is not the way it's years. It's years. Oh, okay. Okay, 1,800 hours. So it's years. 1,800 hours. Well, we probably need to remake the things there. So, well, give me a table on how much hours are needed to reach all levels. So we can better do the quest, and also be sure to put that table somewhere into the, maybe I don't know, the scaling documents or the number documents, so we can eventually consider if we need to revise it or not, okay? Jesus, you're running favor on Ultra God right now. Yeah, I on Ultra God, very nice. Yes, I also have on extra thinking, I mean. I also have it on extra thinking, yes, so. How many hours to your first ascension? Probably 5, right? 5, 6 hours to the first ascension. Right? And how many hours till you reach automation? Probably that needs, probably the XP curve needs reworking, probably. if that's the case, probably the XP curve may need a reworking, I guess. If that's the case, right? I mean, how are you even supposed to get high quality crafting materials otherwise? Interesting. Yeah, probably the XP curve needs a rework, I guess. Definitely needs a rework, for sure. For sure needs a rework. Or at least we need to add the better scalings faster. Something like that, right? I mean, I think if you did the table is errors in the dock, so that the Jesus, the table error is in the dock, so let's go check the fucking dock. So, error, over error, load this. Oven throws. Okay, so not really. Curve and unlocks. Okay. What it is? Area coding term, game condition, grid system interface. What it is? So probably this is music, the organ. Template, coding app with condition, concept, design, sanity check, that's not this. Early game loop activities. That's not it. Luna game eras. Oh, okay. 16 hours. Oh, 25 is 7. Oh, okay, so level 20 is the big thing here. Level 20 is the big thing here. Okay, I see. Level 20 probably is the cap, right? Probably level 20 is the cap. Right, how long do you want to have these things running? I mean, think about it. To get the last sparkle of it. 1 week to reach level 20. Okay, 1 week to reach level 20. 1 week to reach level 20. So, it's okay. I'm watching the documents right now. So we probably, assuming we want to keep this XP system, which is relatively fine, we probably should put at this point probably an hard cap on leveling up a station to level 20. Okay, so we need some revision here. The hard cap for leveling up a station is level 20. And probably we need to give some really interesting milestones at, obviously with at 5, 10, 15, and 20. Well, we already have the 5 one, which is the ultra skill, and probably we really need a very good skill at 10 and another very good skill at 20. And we need to be sure that when you reach level 19, you really have a good percentage to get medical items. You know what I mean? Because we know that it scales, the percentage of getting good items scales with level. So we probably need to rebalance the curve after that. And then after that, what I think we should implement is what Diablo has in the form of Paragon levels. Do you know what Paragon levels are? So basically after 20, which is the cap, you get Paragon levels, and each Paragon levels give you a little bit more increase. And then after that, you still maybe have, I don't know, maybe we can eventually think of Paragon points or whatever, but try to reimagine the experience curve about this, and maybe we can make that one Paragon level is the equivalent of going from level 19 to 20 all over again. So each paragon level after that has the same experience. And maybe there would and then we can then eventually think what paragon levels give. Maybe not in this things, but I want you just for now to redo the calculation so in a way that it stops at 20. You get good items around that point, and then after that is paragon level, and then after we have done this, we revisit the open questions about quest, because now we have a time span to arrange with. Okay. So, what would be in this case a good moment to probably stop it, right? Is probably reach level 12, right? Maybe level 12 with probably level 12, right? Or probably level 13. Probably. I mean, levels 15 to 16 hours before you can ascend. Yeah, probably is too much, right? It's probably too much, right? It's probably too much. Right, yeah, probably level 10 should be another milestone. 1 hour and 6. And then probably we need to reach level. Yeah, probably it doesn't need to be linked to levels anymore. That should be about commission and other stuff. So let's see what Fable is about to do. Jesus. Picking numbers is very complicated. Very, very complicated. Thanks God that Fable told me that will take years to reach level 25. Thanks God. Very good. So, 5%. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So you probably need, if you want mythic gear, you need to farm for 7 days. Jesus. Well, I guess that's commitment for that's almost action RPG level for a build, right? More or less, I guess. More or less, right? Yeah, that sounds interesting, right? Sort of sounds interesting because you have these things. Okay, so reach over 75. Okay. 30 ball commission. No. No. We should have Ascension more or less available after 6 hours of play. So we need to find something different for quest 4 and 5. Cause I was thinking, I mean, cause if a player doesn't really love his build, I mean, he should be able to respect relatively earlier. So we need to find the two different quests, and so yeah, I mean, Something like that. Try to think of some ideas and give me maybe 3-4 options for ideas to reach to have quests that are more or less around this goal. Okay, you got ads for Pokemon gaming shares. Okay, interesting. So why Pokemon? I mean, this is funny. I mean, why Pokemon? I mean, it's not that we're even discussing Pokemon at the moment, but I guess it is what it is, right? I mean, I guess so. Right? Yeah. I guess Pokemon. And so Pokemon will be. Okay. It is interesting. You mean the ads that you get? Yeah, I mean, it's really interesting. I also find them fascinating, if I want to be honest. I mean, it's really interesting to see what you get, what suggestions you get. I mean, it's very fascinating. So I absolutely agree with you. It's very fascinating. So very fascinating. So we will see where these things will go, right? I also get those, because ads are also region based. So well, are interested based. According to your interest, and are also how can I say, region based. So there's a lot going on in ads. So yeah, for sure, yes. So okay, for candidates, reach level 10 with any station. Okay, complete 100 commission. The cast a flagship 10 times. That's very fast. At least 1500 lifetime cast. Okay. Reach level 10 with 2 different station. Okay. Reach level 10 with cast a flagship. Complete. Yes, cause we make craft available at level level 10. So recipes unlocks at level 10. So in this way we know that they have at least to do some crafting. So we go with reach level 10 with any station for the fourth quest. And then the fifth quest is 2 station on level 10 plus 50 combined crafts. And in this way, we are guaranteed that, it still needs some times, and recipes will unlock at level 10 for that specific station. Okay, that makes sense. So we also know where crafts recipes enters into the equation here. Very good. By the way, SD Sark, tell me, what are you going to do after your usage is over? Are you going to pay for credits or not? I think I want to invest $300 to see how much they will last. Because Fable 5 is, I can't see myself planning with codex. It's night and day difference. I think I can do the code with Chappy, no problem, and then eventually make the code be checked by Fable. But planning, I mean, I really can't see myself planning with ChatGPT anymore. It's night and day difference. I mean, the planning here is absolutely on next level. And I simply can't see myself do that anymore. So okay. So we have you can plan with Obus fine. Oh, I can't really. I mean, the difference is huge. The difference is huge. I mean, I find Obus very stupid. I mean, honestly, seriously. I mean, and also, I mean, yeah. Even, I mean, probably the smartest one is ChatGPT Pro, more than Obus for sure. But I mean, I can't really see you're cutting back the development funding next week just enough to maintain. Well, I mean, I want to try to publish the game and see if this can be a form of income. I mean, there's a lot of place where you can put your game online. And if I can get a little bit of money back there, well, I mean, I want to try it. I mean, I absolutely want to try it. So we will see. We will see. So okay, the quests are done. Okay. So still opening the restaurant. You want we want them recipe content. Okay, board shape, capstone functionality, concert. Phoenix upgrades. Right. Phoenix upgrade. Very good. I think we can probably can you move the stuff from needs confirmation that have been decided and are ready into implementable now? So that eventually we can try to craft a first slice from the stuff that are implementable now, and then from there we can slowly work our way down to the other stuff. And that could be a good way, I think. If you think you have a better idea, we will see. You're only selling Felix for fuck you money. Well, I don't know what's your business plan, but I mean, I want to monetize with Buna, absolutely. I mean, otherwise, what's the point? I mean, I really want to monetize with Buna, absolutely, no doubt about it. I still don't know how and where to and in which way, but I absolutely want to. I mean, absolutely. Cause if I monetize, I can make more Luna. So, cause I don't have infinite money. So the only way to make more Luna is to monetize Luna. So, and I consider all this a sort of investment, but I really want to. So I'm not sure how, in which way, but I will keep selling cakes. I mean, and not only cakes. I mean, I wish I could sell my body, but it's illegal here in Japan. It's sort of illegal, but maybe I can sell my digital body in a certain way. That's sort of legal. So I guess I can do this. That's not that's quite the scope, right? And sell cakes, maybe, yeah, and other stuff. But yeah, I mean, absolutely. Because if I can, if I can, if I can, I mean, obviously, probably I will. Uh, and and also okay, last 1 2 3, last 1 2 3. Okay, can you give me a prompt so I can I can I can start to. By the way, one thing. I mean, yes. Just give me a prompt so I can go to the worker and start making this. And then eventually, I mean, we will continue the planning session. But give me a prompt for a worker so it knows exactly what to do, because I want to implement these slices so I can test them. Very good. We're about to make this stuff done, doable, and we're really about to make this stuff doable. So, and that's probably is going to use all our fable probably, or maybe a few more percentage, but at least we have a bigger. Oh, this is not in copy paste format. Jesus. I guess I will. We should do the design session. Okay. This should stop. This should stop. Okay, well, whatever. Let's copy this, and we need to do a new task, and probably this. There is, why can't you fucking copy this? Seriously. Stupid fucking fable. Stupid fucking interface. Why didn't you give me a copy-paste thing here? And let's go here. We copy this. Okay, and we have, slice tree. Okay, what do we have here? Jackal, search the icon. Search for the icon. It is inside there. Oh, when the icon exists, icon is called probably golden record icon. Not PNG, I guess. I think it's called this way, right? We have to check this. So, let me see. Golden disk icon. Golden disk icon. .png. Yeah, that should do it, right? That should do it. And let's see which kind of stuff we can do with this. Cause if we can then build this, I mean, then we're good, right? We can probably check the game. And I mean, there's still a lot to do. There is still a very, very lot to do, but, Jesus, we only have 7%. I think we should be able to implement this with 7%. I'm pretty, 6% actually. Probably we are going to drain everything here. We are probably going to drain everything here into using this. That's probably what's going to happen. I'm pretty damn sure that this is what we are going to drain everything. But at least we have the prototype a little bit to ship forward, and then we can work on the artwork needed. In particular, I need to do still animation and my clone, something like that. Probably. Jesus. My clone? The clones, yeah, probably. Probably the tutorials. Jesus, there's a lot to do here. There is a lot to do, right? Yeah. Table using 60% of a 5 hour in less than an hour. Yeah, it uses a lot. It uses a lot. Absolutely, it uses a lot. So that's why you really need to be careful in how you prompt what document it has access to, and you really need to put them on Rails. It's necessary to put them on Rails, so it's really necessary to put them on Rails. So let's see how far are we going to finish. And we probably are going to, yeah, probably, we would probably need to try the credits. I want to try them. I want to see how much fast I burn through them. And if I can sell the fucking games, let's assume that making it cost $1,000, $2,000. But then, I can sell it. I can see maybe we can try to get back some of that. I don't know. I don't know, right? Would be possible. Marketing the game, is going to be a pain, but should be possible. I think so. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Very curious. So Fable is now building like crazy. And probably will drain the shit out of my usage, I think. I'm pretty sure though. I wonder if we will be able to finish the slice before it goes out of usage. Probably we should. I hope so. I hope so. I hope. Because the code is not much. It's not really much, right? We would have probably have used codecs for that and eventually send. But I don't know. As long as I have free usage included in my plan, I want to use it, right? And then we eventually decide how to, because we have to complete it by tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to be used into paid plan anyway. So we really want to use it as much as we can by tomorrow, right? Because tomorrow is over. It automatically changes into credit usage, so is the Descom companion part. Yeah. Is the Descom companion part. Yeah, I imagine that. Because if you feed him a lot of code, obviously is going to eat a lot, because the more it has to read, the higher the context window. So and the more tokens you use, so that's quite a complicated thing, right? You should have probably asked him to simplify the code so that it doesn't need to read a lot of code, right? Because if the code is simpler or better is split into subcodes, then it is way easier for Fable to spend less token because it only checks the stuff that it needs to do. So optimization also plays a huge part, right? Because you want the code optimized. I mean, I am talking as a complete noob, but I mean, at least this is what it is my understanding. That the better your code is optimized, and the less, I mean, the agents install did it, I guess. So I guess we are really going out of usage here. Probably already. 95. Oh, we still have 5%. We still have 5%. I guess we can probably finish this. My guess is that we can probably finish this. Maybe. I don't know, maybe. Who knows? Maybe. Right? Yes. Maybe. I'm very curious. I mean, how long did we start these things? 8 minutes ago. Okay. 8 minutes ago. Okay, so probably this maybe is going to take a lot, right? I don't know. I have absolutely no clue on how long this thing is going to take, so absolutely no clue. Really. Zero clue on how long this is going to take. So maybe one thing that we can do is we can start working on the art, right? Because we have some art ready. Then we can probably eventually start working on it while we wait. And we have this some stuff here. Probably I should also organize my files so they don't get lost, right? So we go here into the to game. Well, the sprites. Right order. Yeah, and probably we put here some stuff. Yes, we need to move this here. That's the icon. Okay, that's the MP3. We need to use this. And one thing that we need to do, yes, is this one. So we need both this and both the MP3. Move it here. We copy them. That's probably better. And we start with the synthesizer. Now probably start with the MP3. And we open this with Photoshop, right? Right, and one thing that we need to do is... Yeah, probably we need this part to be empty, right? We need this part to be empty. We need this part to be empty. And we probably need maybe some buttons animation or something like that, right? I don't know, right? And then we probably need this. Right? Oh, but this is not the actual color. That's probably the background color. Yes, that's the background color. And we probably need the bar here. right. A progress bar. Maybe I should do two things here. We should same. We should have this, and on top of this, we should have a clean version. And probably should ask Claude how to implement this, and if he needs the buttons, right? How to have the buttons work? I mean, yes, there are duplicates here also that we probably don't need, right? Right? I mean, I guess shuffle. Yeah, probably we don't need the buttons here. Maybe. Maybe we surely don't need these two buttons here, right? And we probably don't. Right, we don't need this. We absolutely don't need this. Oh, Jesus. Annoying. Uh-huh. Why can't I delete here? Okay, we will find this. We will find a fix. So. Oh, am I maybe in Japanese? Oh, this is like this. And we. Okay. Why can't I feel this? Oh god, I'm not selected any layers. Okay, now making makes sense. Then we cancel this too. Then what we need to do? Oh, you see there is some shadow. Line. We delete this. That this too. So then probably I want to move this to find of this. Right, we copy this. We put this up. Right. And we oops. Not here. We put this up like so, like this. Right? Yeah, something like this in the middle. Right? We edit this a little bit. And probably this part also some edits. We can delete this part. It very good. Can delete this. Very good. And then probably we need to yeah, we need to clear this to that part here very carefully so it doesn't the design die. And we fill this like perfect. And then we move the other one. Oh, this is actually what's the yeah? Oh, the color is different. Why? Why is the coloring? Shouldn't be right. Should color it nice. No, it's still different. What's up? It has some gradation, I think. Or is this? No, this is the button. This is it. So what's the problem? It has some gradation, I think. Oh, and we can ask chat with the stuff, I guess. Or we can, I mean, worst in this case scenario, we can merge this. And we can ask, yeah, there's probably some backing artifact going on. Then us to remove it. Then should probably fill the color correctly. Hopefully these things will fix the color. Oh, perfectly fix it. Look at this. Perfectly fix it. Very. So we merge this. Then we do the same for the other part. We do the same for the other part, right? Yes. Take this. We take this. We copy it. We paste it. More or less here, right? Online with the other buttons, right? Right. Perfect. And then we go here and we clear this. Right, that's what clear Bartino. Then we probably ask it just to read, and that should do it, right? And now we have a, oh, okay, very good. We have a good days here. We have a good days for the player, right? I guess so. We can merge this, pull this into one big pictures. And we save this as, save as. Because we keep this into orders and this, Luna player, right, dot png. Right, actually, yes, yeah, Luna player, okay, and that should be the base for the player. Because we also need the player. How is this thing's going? Jesus, 97%. 97%. I'm scared. Will we be ever able? We will be ever able. I think no. I think we are going to eat a wall. That's probably what is going to happen. Yeah. That is what's going to happen. Yeah. We're going to eat a wall, but this is over. Scary. Very scary. Very, very scary. So very, 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 very scary. Maybe it's time it's time we probably expand our usage before we go out of it, right? Seems quite the correct feast. So, let's give it. Let's give it a test. So, settings. Yeah, I can't really share this. Get usage credits. Sure. Okay, very good. Oh, okay, so we can actually save. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, let's do this. Let's try this. I mean, I'm scared, but let's try this. I mean, why not? Let's get some widget credits. Yes. Why not? Okay. We got it. And then we need to... Oh, okay. Very good. No, we turn this on to, for now, for 150, I guess. And then probably we need to change our plan, right? Fuel plans, and we need to change the plan, guys. And we downgrade here, yes, absolutely. We downgrade as soon as this is over. Very good. So we got some credits, so we got some credits. So let me see. Settings, usage. Okay, 98. Very good. So we got some credits now. And let's see how much credits will cost here. And how fast we will burn through credits. I'm very fucking curious to see how fast we'll burn through credits. But it's a test for science. It's absolutely a test for science. I need to know this, I mean, obviously. Otherwise, I mean. And then after I finish my Fable usage, I will downgrade to the $20 plan so I can keep using co-work. Because that's probably it. Yeah. And let's see. I got $250 of credits because I'm very curious to see how much I will burn into them. So let's see. Yes. So now we have some credits. I'm really curious to see how much this, which speed it's going to fucking drain everything. So and how feasible it is to sustain a stable economy. So we're going to see. So we're going to check. So probably I will need to do edits with with co-work with Codex and then ask Fable to fix the shit. But I mean, I don't know how much it's going to cost if I don't try it. So that's probably it. And I don't want to interrupt these things while it is going. So, because that would have been a pain if this thing stops while it is run. Then I would have had to reload the whole context in memory, and that would have costed me additional. So I guess that's the best fix. So look at this. So it's basically, I mean, burning like fire, these things. Jesus, we will see. How far came from this. Yes. And probably, yes, I will need to leave the coding to Codex. That's probably how it's going to happen. And then Fable fix the shit that does. So Codex never touches the documents, but only Fable touches the documents and Codex with the coding. Yes, something like that. I maybe I don't know. We'll have to see. So we really have to see how these things work. So I hope they put back again Fable into the plans, because having to pay by credits is can be very expensive. We will see. So, but we're almost there. We're almost there, right? We're almost there. So halfway, because we are at point 4. And he's doing yet to do a lot of job here, so he had to do a lot of jobs, so hopefully anything didn't break. I mean, it doesn't seem so. Doesn't seem so complicated. We just we just we just asked for some attention. I mean, they are quite a lot, but we can still have them done. And next slices seems interesting. Can we finish this with our inside our plan? I mean, we're probably going to be into the yeah, we're very close to this. Jesus. 99, 98, 98%, 98%. I'm really curious to see how much we are going to spend. He's writing a lot. A lot. That's scary. Oh, my poor Fable is about to eat the whole year. 98%. We are about to hit the credits usage. So yeah, wish me luck. At least yes, I hope he can finish this task. I really hope he can. Poor Fable is riding with his last HP bar. Will he kill the last boss? That's the question. Will Fable be able to kill the last boss or not? The wrote 30k characters, I hope they are good ones. And moreover, I hope that there aren't much changes to do, because all changes are painful, but probably I could ask maybe Codex to do the changes. I don't know, we have to check a little bit of this here. We will see. We will see. So, okay, 40k. They're still at 98%. But it looks like we can do this. We can do this. We probably will be able to finish this. Looks like that all the 99. We are here the last 1%. The last 1%. Oh my goodness, that's scary. That's scary. Last 1%. We're here at the last 1%. Jesus. Last 1%. Okay, and then we have a clue on how much credits these things was. Super scary, super scary. Okay, Fable, do your best. We are all waiting for you to do your magic here. In the meanwhile, there was something I wanted to check, but I wanted Rezormo to come. I think Rezormo maybe today is sleepy and probably didn't came. Because Rezormo pointed me to something and I wanted to check that with him, but he's not here yet. So I don't know if I should check them anyway. Well, we will wait for this to end, and then after that, we're probably going to check that regardless. I guess so. Right, baby? Baby. So, I wonder what do you need to do to have your game on Steam? What actually do you have to do to have your game on Steam? There is probably a lot of stuff, but I think we probably can, right? We can probably try to get our game in, I guess. Maybe, right? It should be possible. We should try that. And the other places, right? I think you need to be dream listed or something, dream and have a watch list or something like that, right? Probably something like, yeah, to have a game on Steam, that a lot of stuff. Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, I expect it relative positive. Yeah, that would be great because if we can get the game on Steam, we could probably try to sell it. But that seems probably the next step, right? I mean, you finish the game and then you have to distribute it. Like, that's probably the next step. Try to sell it. Seems like the next step to you get a game and then you try to sell it. Probably you need advertisement maybe. What do you need to get your game sold? Do you probably need to run ads, right? That's probably what you need. Ads. That's probably it, right? What do you need to do? You need to go to Reddit. How do you get your people to get to know your game? Yeah, probably has to be Reddit, right? Or something like that. You bring people to Reddit and then you have them and you ask them to go check your game, probably. I mean, I don't know. And there are probably some stuff that you have to find that should yeah. Maybe I should ask Chappie how to fucking sell a game. We probably need to go into all the possible ways, right? I mean, itch.io, I mean, all the possible ways, right? You can update it, okay? I mean, you get it on Steam, right? Maybe very cheap, right? Or maybe on Steam, it's free. And you get it on, I mean, I don't know. I don't know, that should be a way in which you can sell your game. So let's see, we are almost at the limit, at usage limit, so we're almost at usage limit. I mean, almost 99%. Jesus, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. 99. Well, it's riding the lot here. That's very, that's very good. I don't know which one is riding, but very good. Very good. Oh, we are so close. Look at this. 60k characters. Wow. We got this. I hope. I hope we got this. I really hope we do. I really hope we do. What is this huge file that is writing? I'm very curious. I mean, this seems quite a very big file. A very big file. So, and I probably need to check and test these things a lot, right? And make a list of all the stuff that needs implementation, right? For fixing. Oh Jesus, look at this. Look at this. So many tokens that burning through. Lot of codes here. So much code. Jesus. I wonder how will look the prototype when these things will be done. We implemented them. I'll not. You see this link when I go. Okay. Okay. Alright. Right. It seems it has finished the big stuff. Very good. Extending and running checks. And then he has to update the dogs, right? And then we're done. Very good. So very perfect. Perfect. It's almost there. Oh, we are finished the credits. We're finished the usage. Okay. So how much is this going on? I mean, we don't have a clue, but this is it. This is it, 100%. We are now on credits. So let's see how much we will be spending for now. Let me post this in Discord. So let me post this in Discord. That's it. So let me see. Oh, it's over. It's over. Now we can finally check. We can finally check how much these things cost for real. What is its real cost of Fable? Actually, I mean, yeah. Probably we will soon see how much the real cost of this is. Very soon. Very soon. So it may be cheaper than most people. I don't know. I don't have a clue. So we will have to wait and see, right? We will have to wait and see. So also we could probably have some thinking with ChatGPT Pro and then have it corrected by Fable. That's also an option, right? We feed ChatGPT Pro the stuff. We work inside ChatGPT Pro and then we send the stuff back to Fable. That could be an option, right? Could be an option also. I mean, why not? Why not? And we try to think out with ChatGPT Pro. Then we blurb that things into Fable, and we try to. That should probably save us some tokens, I guess. I don't know. I still think I want to the planning with Fable. Final verification plan. Let me see usage. Do we have a clue? Oh, already $7. Oh, you see, that's interesting. So, okay, just to finish these things was $7. Okay, well, at least now we have a clue on how much these things cost, right? Cause I'm really curious to see how much these things cost. So that's already $7 just to finish this task here. Okay, interesting. Interesting, very interesting. So we need to see how much these things actually cost. So probably we need to do the majority of the work with. Okay, nice, 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 nice. So this finish it. This finish it. This finish it here. And probably we still probably need a little bit to check probably the sales usage, but probably maybe $10 to finish this. So how long would this cost? That probably $30. How much would that have costed? I mean, I don't know, right? I don't know. We probably know with the next thing. So let me see. Worker rule. Okay. Music items plus skill per dog. Okay. Okay. Formula. Automation. Okay. Directional V1 picks needed your confirmation. Okay. Owen docs I didn't make. Owen doc edits I didn't make. Okay. Manual browser test. Okay, we do the manual browser test. So we have to do a test now. So that's it. Let's start doing the test. Let's start doing the test, but before that, I go grab something to drink. And then we check the new prototype. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the server. I'm going to start the game server. And we are going to check it then. Right? And we're going to check it, right? That's what we're going to do. Cause that's our job now. So we go here. We open the game. Okay. So that's the game. That's the game. Let's see how much we have here. So that's the game and we have to test it, right? So what's the first test? Tap the oven. Tap the oven. Okay, this should... Let's see. I mean, I am absolutely no clue. So, reach the oven level 1. Oven. Okay, good. And you make cakes in the middle, right? Right, so... And that's the oven leveling up. Okay. We have some stuff here to do, but we will eventually fix this and check how these things work, right? We need to reach level 1 first, right? That's probably what we need to do. The interface needs a completely new design layout or something like that, but that's probably it. Use a cake and be fed up on cake. I have this. Very good, very good, very good. That tells me what we're producing. Very good. I mean, I think the interface still needs a lot of love. Probably. The interface still really needs a lot of love, but it's surely better than nothing, right? And probably the level up also. Okay, so we got the quest here completed. Oh, it has a dot now that you complete the quest. Collect. Very good. Manager note. Okay, then we have the talent. Oh, look at this. I can't zoom in and zoom out. So that sort of sucks. We need to write stuff to do, right? We need to write some stuff to do. So, by 1 point. So, we need to write a lot of stuff to do. Let me take notes. So, we need a lot of stuff to do. So, we need basic interface needs a clean up, polish. The talent tree needs a zoom and a navigation and mouse over and probably a panel. Right, that's a lot of stuff that we need to implement here, right? Because at the moment, this does not do much. I can select this. Music branch link 4. There is no description. Yes, talents should have a description. And maybe a preview. Yeah, there's so much to do just here. Jesus, there is so much to do just here. There is a lot to do just here, so... There is a lot to do just here, so I'm probably thinking that... I'm really seriously thinking that we probably need a combination of Fable and Codex. Probably. For changing, but yeah, so we got the talent, and now we can go here, right? Oh, we can power it, right? And now this is powered, and we can go here. Oh, okay, and make it. Okay, that works now. So we can do these things, but we need to unlock first the automations here, right? So we need to keep doing this so we can unlock the automation of the oven, right? But that's what we need to do. We need to unlock the oven automation. What's the next quest? Reach oven level 4. Okay. So we got automation, right? Makes sense. And that will give us 1 talent point, right? And then we probably need to reach music level 4, so we get automation for music too. Right? And... Okay. Very good. So... I think we can also craft pancakes, right? Oh, Flutter comes up at level 2. Okay. So Flutter comes at level 2, I guess. Okay, interesting. Flutter comes at level 2. So this is something that probably needs to change, right? Because you start at level 1. You start already at level 1? Right, you start at level 1, right? That makes sense, right? That makes sense, right? You start at level 1. Changes. You start at level 1. Okay, interesting. Yeah, because at the moment you get nothing for going from level 2 to level 3, right? So this probably needs some changes. Or you start at level 1, or we move the unlocks earlier. Something like that. That's probably something like that, right? This also needs some changes. Jesus, that's complicated. The debugging. You have something on your head, but the debugging, then, it start to becoming quite complicated, so. So you probably have to, maybe also this part needs to be clicked faster, I guess. Probably you should unlock automation at level 2. You unlock automation at level 2, right? We should probably do this. You unlock automation at level 2. Or you unlock, I don't know, I don't know this. Unlock automation level 2 when you get the first talent point at level 4? Yeah, seems more correct, right? So You get automation at level 2 and you unlock your first talent point at level 4. Okay, so we need to remake the quest here too. That's better this way. That's way better this way, right? Oh, there are several changes here to do. So yeah. Yeah, we need to change some stuff, right? I want to taste this till the end before I commit changes, cause there's a lot that still need to be tasted. But I want to unlock automation first, so we can have these things producing in the background while we do other stuff. And also, let me see, the inventory should be filling up, right? Oh, look at this. Yes, it should be filling up. Oh, look at how many burnt cake we already have. We have all this burnt cake already, interesting. Is she making double the stuff? 24 plus 13 plus 4? Oh, 24, 13, 4. Okay, let me check something. Oh, okay, so I actually clicked all these times. I see. Oh, look at this. These things moves on refresh. Oh, that's very weird, right? Why is these things doing this? Oh, right, because, okay, I see, because I went to, oh, okay, another thing to mention this. The visual bug on the cooldown if you open and close the item menu. Yeah, a lot of stuff that needs fixing there. But it's relatively working, right? Relatively working. So we got 2 more burnt cake, I guess. So we had 26.7, right? 26.7, and now we are at 26.8. Okay, good. Right, we need this first. Right. The menu also doesn't zoom back to previous zoom percentage. Okay, that's one more bug. Jesus, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be fixed, so very good. Maybe Codex can fix these bugs. I don't know. We need to check this. I mean, we really need to check this, right? Oh, we are at level 3, so we can batter it up. We can batter it up. I mean, we still need 40 XP to the next level, but then we have automation, right? And that's very good. Probably automation should be included from the beginning, right? Something like that. And we don't even need to click. Seems good to me, right? Automation, we remove the click completely, probably. Consider to remove clicking completely. Yeah, probably could be. And just have automation from the start. Yeah, that's also something that could work, I guess. Right? That's something that could work, right? I think so. Right? Probably. That's something that could probably work, right? I'll probably ask Codex to fix all these bugs. Jesus, that's interesting because now we have a lot of stuff to do and we have to work between Fable and Codex and try to maximize Fable credits without wasting them. Oh, but this is very interesting. Yes. I think I'm going to like it a lot. This sort of puzzle of jumping between Codex and Fable to save credits. I mean, seems very, very nice, right? That's probably going to be very, very nice. Yes. So use Fable for ultra thinking, and you leave the rest to Chappy. I mean, seems probably the correct way in which you should divide your resources between Chappy and Codex. Okay, we got level 4, so we have automation now. Oh, perfect. Let's collect the talent point. And now this thing goes on its own, right? Beautiful. Why is not even showing this? Why automation doesn't seem to work? Why not? Why not? I mean, automation is broken. What's the problem here? Automation is broken. What's the issue here? Do I have to move it back before I can start automation? What's the problem? Oh, there is a button here. Oh, okay. Okay, there is a button here to out-assign it. Okay, that's not really, this should be automated, I think. We have to change some stuff. Welcome back, Jordan. Welcome back, Jordan. Welcome back. So, what else do we need to check here? Manual browser desktop, the oven, cast, fair music panel, open talent tree, ritual, collect from Shopee, buy music production, okay. Tap piano, Luna teleports, that oven needs cool down, busy bubble, okay. Okay, battery tap prologue until okay, music still node, okay. Relevia jackpot, okay. Track button spend spaces. Okay, that's interesting. So, interesting. There's a lot going on here. They were playing a game and seagulls came and shitted everywhere and... Oh, okay, interesting. That seems quite a lot of fun. I mean, a seagull came and... That seems quite a lot of fun. But we never got a booty cake yet. We never got a single booty cake yet. That's quite a disaster. We didn't got a single booty cake yet. Very bad. And we got a lot of burnt cake. Very good, right? We need also some better. Yeah, the interface really needs some love. Really needs some love. The interface for sure. And we should be able to... Oh, okay. We should be able also to buy it, right? What happens if we level up this? It. When are you supposed to be able to buy it? So probably the it is not implemented yet. How are you supposed to buy it? Or open questions here that we have. Plenty of open questions we have here. Okay. Can you make the Chibi Luna talk? Oh yes, I will. Not now, but I will. It's in the plan to make Chibi Luna talk. Yes, obviously. At the moment, I mean, you have she says something, but I mean it's not Oh, unassigning Luna is very annoying, right? How can unassign? Unassign? Unassign doesn't seem to work. Oh, finally. Oh, you probably need to click the on assign Luna should work even if you do not click on time. Jesus, so many bugs and fixes to do. So many bugs and fixes to do. But anyway, yeah, you should be able to do some. You see, at the moment it talks, but it just on top of it. So not exactly as I expected, but yeah. Oh, also the cooldown, yes. Can't swap cool skills. Shouldn't be able to swap skill mid cooldown. Oh, a lot of errors. I see at least 8 bugs at the moment, so there is a lot to do here, but yeah, I guess we will do this plus one cast. It should also increase the cost, right? Right? This cost more. Oh, this doesn't cost more. This just doesn't cost more stuff. They just cost cakes, but doesn't cost more eat. One more error. She's very wicked. Yes, she's very wicked. Excited about the Chihiro. Okay. Very good. So, leveling up a skill should increase the eat cost, but at the moment it doesn't. Yeah, there are so many bugs here. I mean, so many bugs. I mean, absolutely. So many bugs. Also, it seems that quality and yield are okay. Which in quality and yield they cost a different amount of cakes, right? That's interesting. We have plenty of barn cake. Jesus, that's a lot of things that don't work, but we will need to fix them. We will eventually need to fix them. There are so many small bugs here and there, I mean, but we will fix them all. We will fix them all one by one, I guess. I think we can we need to implement a kit for file revisioning. And then we need to probably also, what else? What do we need? We need probably also to use, codecs to fix most of the shit, fix the documents. Oh, well, that's going to be a lot of work. That's going to be a lot of work for sure. Okay, I think I'm going to stop here for today. I mean, we just spent also a decent amount of credits here just to finish this. Out of curiosity, how much credits did we usage? Oh, $9. That cost us $9. So probably we really need to probably work this out decently probably, and we yeah. We need to do some fixes here and there, and probably we ask Chappie to do the fixes, and then Claude to check them, and eventually we revision it, right? That seems quite the thing to do, right? Yeah, that's probably the way to do this. Yes, I think that's the way to do this. And then we ask Fable to do the planning, and we ask Fable to do the first way of the code, and then we ask Fable to fix the fixes. That's probably the best way, right? So we use Fable for planning, for fixing, I guess. Sort of. I mean, I don't know. Probably. I don't know, probably. Or maybe just for planning, then Codex do all the coding. And then we have Fable fixing it. Probably. Yeah. But anyway, I'm going to sleep, products. No, but not really to sleep, but I mean, I'm going to eat lunch and take a break. Cause I think this is where we're going to stop for today. That's probably it. So, well, thank you very much for watching. And tomorrow we will keep pushing this probably, and maybe we will have a better clue of how to split our resources between Fable and Codex now that we have finished all our Fable 3 plan. So we'll have to discuss some things. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciated everyone staying here. And tomorrow we will keep going the production of the game. And thank you very much. And see you tomorrow. じゃあ今日ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。またね。バイバイ。